goodness. Hi, Angel. Hi, Angel. What are you doing? That's a table. Table. How big are you? Are you big? No. Uh-oh. Pretty. Making music. Making music. Hi. What's outside? Birds? See birds. Two birds out there? Birds. Where are they? Say hi, birds. Hi, birds. Hi, birds. Birds. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. They fly. Up in the sky. Up in the sky, the birds fly. Whee! Yes. Whee! So big. So big. Clap our hands. Clap our hands for the birds. Good girl. Okay. Birds. Oh, birds. I see you. Oh, birds. Is he jumping? Good girl. You can do jumping jacks. Yay. No, she's all moving. Big girl. Hey, get out of the bushes. Get out of those bushes. Get out of those bushes. Come see Grams. Come here. Come see what I have. Look. Look. Look at this. What is it? What is it? Chopstick. Every girl needs a lipstick. Yeah. Put it on your lips. What does it do? Huh? What does it do? Oh, you're a smart aleck. You just figuring everything. Everything you figuring. Put your lipstick on. Put it on. Okay. Hey, Missy Smarty Pants. Say goodbye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye to Aunt Laura and Aunt Annie. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. How about Aunt Heather? You haven't seen Aunt Heather either. Heather, look how big she's getting. She's figuring out that chapstick. I gotta get it away from her. Okay. Come back here. You come back here. Hey. Do you come back here? Remy? Remy? Come on. You come back here, you stinker. All right, everybody. It's getting dark.